In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the can't trade problem on Steam. If you've ever tried to trade items or use the Steam community market only to be hit with an error or restriction, don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're trading game items, skins, or cards, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get back to trading safely and smoothly. First, open your Steam app on your computer. Once it's up and running, log into your account. If you're not logged in already, just click on the login button in the top right corner and enter your username and password carefully. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. Now look at the top left corner and click on the Steam drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Security section. This part is really important because it controls how safe and accessible your account is for trades and community activity. Inside the Security tab, click on Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is the key to fixing most trading issues. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and turn it on. This feature adds an extra layer of protection to your account and is required for trading and using the Steam community market. Next, check whether your Steam mobile authenticator is active. If you've just added it recently, keep in mind there's a short waiting period before you can trade again. Steam restricts trading for 5 days after changing your password or adding a new authenticator. And if you just added the authenticator for the first time, trades might be on hold for up to 15 days. This is completely normal and part of Steam's built-in security system. While you're in Settings, make sure your email address and phone number are both verified. Steam uses these to confirm your identity, and having them linked can prevent your account from being flagged or temporarily restricted. Once you've checked all of this, go ahead and close and reopen your Steam app. Restarting Steam helps apply any new changes instantly, and in many cases, this alone resolves the can't trade issue right away. To make the process even smoother, here are a few quick tips. Always keep your Steam app updated, avoid using VPNs while trading, and make sure your account hasn't been logged into from another unverified device. These little steps go a long way in keeping your account safe and trade ready. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the can't trade problem on Steam and get back to trading, gifting, and using the market without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Steam tutorials.